you how to use ChatGPT 4 is absolutely free. So let's come on screen, and here we are search pop ai dot pop ai dot pro and search. Okay, here you can see this pop ai is opened, and I will show you where is ChatGPT 4 is enabled. Let's here we sign in. I am signing with my email account. You can sign it. And see this pop ai is opened, and here you can see ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. If you want ChatGPT 3 or 4 is your choice. And here is a beautiful layout with of ChatGPT 4, and here you will PDF, upload PDF and document something else and drag down, and here you can see this flow. You can make flow chart, presentation, educational writing, professional writing, prompt generator, coding and answers, and something else. So you can try, and thank you for watching. Thank you.